solving the questions from the subdomain warm-up. We have done with compare the triplets. We'll go to the very big sum next. You can find the link of this question in the description given below. In the problem statement, we will see the logic in Python. We'll try to write the code. Anyway, in Python, even if it is going beyond the integer, it's not a problem. Integer in Python, which might take a very long value also, even if it is 100 plus digits also, absolutely fine. So that's why not a problem. You can directly write sum of what is the method name AR. You can use the sum, what is the array name, that is a list name. Yeah, success, and I'll submit the code. Only 2 test cases which are given and they are passed. So this much simple you can do it in Python. We are done with a very big sum.